Belanjawan 2024 has just been announced. And I'm sure if you're doing research on the Belanjawan to figure out how you can benefit from it, there is just so much of information on the newspaper, and also there are so many videos on that particular subject. So much so, it could be so overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to try to simplify it, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to try to benefit from this particular budget from a lens of a working professional over in Malaysia. So from the top, what the budget aims to do, it's basically a plan on how the government wishes to allocate resources, whereby they will tax certain people and use that tax money to maybe give subsidies and also build certain infrastructures within Malaysia. So drilling down the budgets, these are the couple of things that may have an adverse impact on us. Number one is that the government will increase service taxes from 6 to 8%, excluding food and also telecommunications. So basically, if the government were to increase taxes, what may happen is that things will get expensive around us. And when things get a little bit more expensive, there is a high chance that our cost of living may increase in the coming months ahead. On top of that, the government is also going to reduce the subsidy for diesel and also lift the price ceiling for chicken and also eggs. By doing these two things, what will basically happen is that things around us again will get more expensive. So the very basic example over here is that if I am living somewhere in Selangor and I consume rice and I also consume fish on a daily basis. So for me to get that rice from maybe Kedah, it needs to go through trucks on the highway. And if the prices of diesel were to increase, this will indirectly impact the prices of food. And on top of that, if the government lifts the price ceiling for chicken and eggs, this basically means the prices can move above the previous ceiling. And if the demand for both chicken and eggs were to increase, we may see an increase in prices of these things. All in all, these three things on the budget may impact our cost of living, where we will see it increase in the coming months ahead. That being said, amongst the announcement on the budget, which may benefit us, is number one, the government is looking towards restructuring EPF, which will enable us as Rakyat to take out a little bit of EPF money in order for us to cushion the increase in cost of living. Aside from that, the government is also giving some tax relief for those that wants to upskill themselves in this new economy. This one I really like, whereby whatever courses we take in order for us to be more valuable in the marketplace, the government is giving us a tax break, which is amazing. And the amount for the tax relief is about 2,000 ringgit. Aside from that, the government is giving a rebate of about 2,400 ringgit for electric bikes for individuals that earn below 120,000 per annum.